Hey there y'all, I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but I figured I'd provide a update video on my 2019 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack SC with the driver assistance and appearance package. If you've been around the channel for a while or haven't watched one of my videos in a while, this is the vehicle that replaced my 2012 Toyota RAV4 Limited that was in the family since brand new. Unlike the RAV4, this is a car I'm paying for insurance on, I'm paying for maintenance on, and I'm paying the monthly payments on too. It's in this beautiful silk blue color that's on a lot of the Volkswagens like the Tiguan and the Jetta. I didn't buy this car for attention, but everybody loves this car that's seen it and they really like the color as well. The last time I made a video, I was rear-ended, and that bumper has long since been fixed. Inside, you do get that nice beige leatherette interior. Unfortunately, the SELs for the 2019 model year, your only options were the Titan Black or the Marrakesh Brown to get the special seats. So I'm glad I stuck with an SC, and that's what was available because I like this beige a lot more than having all black panels. And that's the big update right there. 10,247 miles. Yes, I bought this car brand new back in May 21st, and I've put 10,200 miles on it since then. The car is in overall good shape. I went in last Tuesday for my 10,000 mile service because I have the services bundled into the plan, unlike companies like Toyota, which do the 2-year 25,000. This was like an option on the window sticker, was 2 free services. And of course I do have that 6-year 72,000 mile oops we messed up warranty. I have that on here too. So the 19 model year was definitely a good model year because you get the services free on every Volkswagen. They aren't an after cost option, but you only get a 4-year 50,000 mile warranty for 2020. I went in for my oil change, tire rotation. Tire rotation was the only thing I had to pay for. They also had to check some stuff out as well, such as the washer fluid always needing to be changed. Apparently there's an issue on Tiguan's where there's like a seal that breaks or something causing it to leak, but there were no issues on my end. I also had one of my impact sensors going off. Try to take great care of the car, but as y'all can see, I had this run-in last week with a curb. Because of my driving position, I have a really hard time seeing the front of the car, so especially that side, it's more of just luck for tight spaces like that. And I also scraped some driveways as well on my endeavors. The main source of the mileage has been delivery driving, so I've been doing a lot of delivery driving in here. That's why I put so many miles on the car. At the rate I'm going to probably put around 26,000 miles on my car per year, and I'm on a 3-year loan, so if I have a change in career, which I'm very likely to do before the car is paid off, I'll probably be sticking with my full-time job and not doing as much delivery, which the Alltrack will probably appreciate. And being nicer out, I've been using this pano roof a lot. A lot of people in the past have had panoramic roof problems, but I've not had any panoramic roof problems, which has been fantastic. I'm really glad about that. I don't really use the trunk, but when I do, such as carrying Walmart orders, I do like these cargo blocks that come with the car. They kind of I kind of have them set up like that. Those ones are stuck together, but I have them set up so basically the groceries are in this little bubble right here. As y'all remember, I really wanted like a Tacoma or something before staying in the Toyota family, but after getting this Volkswagen, it's just such a nice car inside that it's going to be hard to put me on anything else. I see all sorts of cars like GM products, Chrysler products, Toyotas, Hondas, and they just aren't as nice. Even though this is a simple car, there's just something really nice about this Alltrack. I've been really happy with it. And one last thing, I do have the Mister Pass, so I do get the car cleaned at least twice a week. It's been raining today, so it kind of defeats the point, but when I do take it through, I do get rid of those rain stains on the hood. Well, I guess that's it. It's been a really happy nearly 5 months of ownership, over 10,000 miles. I drive this car very hard and it's been treating me very well. I'm very happy that I got this vehicle, got a great deal. Highly recommend one of these to anyone. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.